Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you all how I make sweet and spicy Cajun style shrimp. These shrimp are so good and so easy to make. So if you want to see how I did it, keep watching. Alright, first thing I'm doing here in my copper skillet, I am melting 3 sticks of butter. Okay, just go ahead, move it around, just get your butter all melted. So for my garlic, I'm going in with 4 teaspoons of already minced garlic. I didn't feel like peeling garlic, using the food processor, all of that extra stuff. I didn't feel like doing all that. So this is the easy way for me. I'm using the already minced garlic. So we're going to go ahead and give that a good mix in here. Okay, and for our spices, I'm going in with a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Had to think of which one it was. This is cayenne pepper. So now I'm going in with a teaspoon of Cajun seasoning. And they have so many Cajun seasonings out there, guys. So use whichever one you want. I'm using Louisiana. So I'm going in with a teaspoon of paprika. And also a teaspoon of Old Bay seasoning. So go ahead and get that in there. And this right here is pretty much where most of the flavor comes from. I'm going in with a teaspoon of chili powder. And for that extra heat, I'm going in with a teaspoon of chili garlic seasoning or sauce, I'm sorry. If you guys don't want to use this, just go ahead and add in another teaspoon of cayenne pepper. It's totally optional. Just use whichever spice you want, okay? So we're going to go ahead and just give that a good mix and get the spices all distributed out through our butter. And to balance out the spices, I'm going in with a tablespoon and a half of sugar. If you want to use brown sugar, you can, but I use regular sugar. So I just went in with a teaspoon of oregano. And to kind of enhance the spices I used, I'm going in with a packet of my my Sazon seasoning, okay? So we want to go ahead and give this a good mix, and we want to let this butter sauce simmer for 25 to 30 minutes until all the spices are dissolved, okay? So now we're going to go ahead and work on our shrimp. I am squeezing in 1 lemon that I rolled on the counter first. Do you guys see all that juice coming out? Roll your lemon first and you will get all of that juice up out of there, okay? So just squeeze all that juice in there. Don't mind the seeds and all that, you know. That's not going to be in my product at the end, okay? So don't mind that. So go ahead and drop that in there because that zest will add extra flavor too. So now we're going to go ahead and start adding our shrimp. And these are just jumbo shrimp that I'm using. You can pretty much use whatever size shrimp that you want. But this is just jumbo, so just go ahead and get your shrimp in there. And just give it a good stir. And they're not going to take that long to cook. Maybe 4 to 5 minutes at that. As you guys can see, they started turning pink as soon as I dropped them in. And then plus they're going to continue to cook once you get them in the butter sauce. 4 to 5 minutes tops, okay? So here is my butter sauce 30 minutes later. You guys can see everything is definitely dissolved. So I'm going to go in with my shrimp. Just go ahead and add in all of your shrimp, okay? So now we're going to start to stir the shrimp, coating the shrimp all with that yummy butter sauce. If you guys can smell my kitchen right now, oh my God, it smells really good. You talk about New Orleans. It smells really good in here. So just go ahead and coat the shrimp with all of that butter sauce. And I'll put you guys a plate together. Look at how the shrimp just, oh my God, they look so good. I made me and Nyla these with some fries. And this is going to be our dinner. So of course you guys know I had to try one. They are so good, guys. You guys have to try that recipe. But that is pretty much it on how I make sweet and spicy Cajun style shrimp. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you did, please give my video a thumbs up. Gonna get that skin off of there. But again, if you enjoyed my video, give my video a thumbs up. Support my channel by subscribing. And until next time, you guys take care. Bye.